At Spark, we've completely redesigned the grill as we know it, from top to bottom, to create what I call the Shangri-La grilling experience. The flavor of charcoal, the ease of gas, and the control of an oven. The first prototype was actually just built in my garage. From there, I just kept tweaking, iterating, and I eventually started working with some world-class chefs. Then I brought in a team of designers, engineers, food scientists to bring the whole system to life. After 3 years of R&D, we've developed custom wood and charcoal bricks that ignite instantly just with the turn of a switch. And they get hot enough for grilling in just a few minutes. No lighter fluid, no chimney needed. With Spark's LED dial, you can set and hold temperature anywhere from between 200 to over 900 degrees. You can turn the dial up, you can turn the dial down, and the grill will run at the right temperature. That kind of range of control just allows you to play. When you don't have to futz around with the fire, you can be so much more creative with the way you cook. When you're done cooking, cleanup is super easy. The brick stays in one piece in the tray, you can just dump it out and go on with your day.